Make Happy Hearts Day special with dinner for two and a custom table setting that truly celebrates your love. Today we're gonna take last year's nightie and turn it into a sizzling Sweethearts placemat. So let's get started. You'll need a lacy nightgown or red satin fabric and lace, your brother's sewing machine, and a scan and cut. Iron-on transfer sheets, scissors or a rotary cutter and straight edge, pins, and a measuring tape. First, cut the nightgown apart into large pieces and be sure to save any lacy parts and set them aside for later. You'll be using them for design. Next, cut two placemat-sized rectangles, about 16 inches by 12 inches, leaving a ½ inch seam allowance. Arrange the scraps of lace from the nightgown on the placemat to form a design. I'm placing my lace pieces on the sides as a border, adding the bust portion of the top as a silverware holder. Clever, right? Sew the lace pieces in place. Now, on your scan and cut, create a love note to cut from the transfer paper. And cut out a cute photo in the shape of a heart. Size them to fit in the center of your placemat and iron them on according to the package directions. Next, with the right sides facing each other, sew the front and back pieces together, leaving a small opening at the bottom. Turn it right side out, press, and top stitch all the way around. And there you have it, an upcrafted nightgown turned placemat to spice up your Valentine's Day dinner and your love for each other at your table for two.